Hey, this is Brandon with Productive Focus. AI marketing sounds complicated. Organic marketing sounds safe. But if we're being honest, a whole lot of businesses are hiding behind organic marketing because it feels familiar, not because it's actually working. And that's the real conversation because the question is not whether organic marketing can work. The question is it the fastest, smartest, and most scalable way to grow a business today? A lot of the time, the answer is no. And that's exactly why AI marketing matters. Now, before anybody gets defensive, let me say this. I am not saying organic marketing is useless. It's not. Organic content can build trust, it can build brand awareness, it can help people get to know your business over time. That part is real. But organic marketing by itself has some serious limits. It is slow, it is unpredictable, and it takes a lot of manual effort. And it usually depends on your consistency showing up, posting, writing, filming, responding, and hoping the algorithm decides to like you for that day. Hope is not a strategy, as I always say. That is where AI marketing starts to separate itself. AI marketing gives you leverage. It helps you move faster. It helps you create more. It helps you test more. It helps you personalize more. And long story short, it helps you market like a big business without needing a giant team. That is the major advantage. Let's start with speed. Organic marketing takes time, a lot of time. And if you have to come up with ideas, writing the content, editing the content, designing the graphics, scheduling the posts, responding to comments, tracking what is working, and then you do it over and over again. That is a grind. And AI marketing speeds that process up like crazy. It can help you generate content ideas, write drafts, repurpose long form content into short form content, create email copies, build ad variations, help the SEO content generate follow up messages, segment audiences, and support campaigns faster than most small teams can do it manually. That matters because speed creates opportunity. Now, the faster you can create, launch, test, and improve, the faster you can figure out what's actually working. Now, let's talk about scale. This is where AI marketing really starts to pull away. Marketing organically is heavily tied to human effort. The more you want to produce, the more time and labor it usually takes. That means growth gets bottlenecked fast. You're running out of hours, you're running out of creative energy, you're running out of consistency. AI helps break that bottleneck. It lets one business owner or small business team do the kind of output that used to take multiple people to get done. More content, more follow up, more testing, more personalization, more campaigns running at the same time. And no, that doesn't mean that you should flood the internet with low quality junk. That is not the point. The point is that AI gives you the ability to execute faster and at a bigger scale without burning your whole team out. That's the real advantage. Now, here's another advantage. AI marketing is better at handling data and patterns. Organic marketing often runs on gut instincts. You're posting something, you wait, you see how it does. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. But AI powered marketing tools can help analyze behavior faster. It can identify patterns, it can support lead scoring, it can optimize campaigns, it can personalize outreach, and adjust messaging based on audience behavior. That means your marketing becomes less guesswork and more strategy. And that's the big deal because a lot of businesses are not losing because they're not marketing, they're losing because they're marketing blindly. And AI helps reduce that. Now, let's get into personalization. This is one of the biggest reasons AI marketing is so powerful. Organic marketing usually speaks to everybody the same way. One post, one blog, one email, one message going out to the broad audience. AI marketing can help tailor messaging more effectively. Different audiences can take different follow up. Different leads can take on different nature paths. Different customer types can take different offers, reminders, and recommendations. That's the kind of personalization used to take a ton of manual work. Now it can happen much more effectively. And when marketing feels more relevant, people pay more attention. That's just how it works. Now, let's talk about consistency. This is where organic marketing tends to fall apart for a lot of the businesses. They start strong. They post for 3 weeks. They make some videos. They write some emails. Then the business gets busy. Everything stalls. And then the marketing disappears. And then you're thinking what gives. Manual marketing is hard to sustain when the business gets chaotic. AI helps create consistency, not because it's magic and it's doing everything for you, but because it helps reduce the effort it takes to keep showing up. It helps keep content moving. It helps support follow up. It helps keep campaigns alive and help turns marketing from random bursts of effort into one actual system. And systems beat random effort every time. Here's the part a lot of people don't want to admit. Organic marketing often gets romanticized because it sounds more authentic, more human, more earned, and I get that. But if we're really being honest, a lot of businesses using organic marketing are still stuck in a cycle of under marketing. They're posting inconsistently. They're not tracking well, they're not following up fast enough, and they're not creating enough touch points. And then they wonder why the growth feels slow. AI marketing gives you the chance to fix that. It helps you produce more strategic content. It helps you stay in the front of leads longer. It helps you automate parts of the follow-up process. It helps you get more mileage out of every piece of content you create. That's the big advantage, because the businesses that follow up better usually wins. The businesses that stay visible longer usually wins. The businesses that adapt faster usually wins. And AI helps all three. Now, does that mean you should abandon organic marketing completely? No, that's not the point. The point is organic marketing still has value, but by itself it's usually too slow and too limited to carry the whole team growth strategy. AI marketing gives you the edge because it makes your marketing more efficient, more scalable, more personalized, and more consistent. That is the difference. Organic marketing says, let's keep showing up and hope it builds over time. AI marketing says, let's build a smarter system that creates more output and more insight and more momentum with the same or fewer resources. That is a much stronger position for most businesses, especially smaller businesses, growing businesses, especially the owners who don't have the time to live inside their marketing every day. This is what we care about at Productive Focus. It's not marketing that sounds impressive. It's marketing that actually works. It's practical systems, smarter follow-up, better consistent follow-ups, more leverage, which creates less wasted time. This is where AI becomes a real advantage. So if you're comparing AI marketing versus organic marketing, here's my take. Organic marketing can help you stay visible, but AI marketing helps you move faster, move smarter, and scale with a whole lot more leverage. Organic marketing alone can keep you in the game, but AI marketing helps you get ahead. That's all I got. I'll talk to you again soon.